filming.
Now it
Paul
is.
put his motorcycle helmet on?
Yes.
No.
And gloves.
Make sure he's still there.
Make sure he's coiled up.
I don't know, dudes. I don't feel good about it.
About grabbing that picture?
No!
Well,
Someone else will do it. Put a
You can do it, Paul.
on.
You can do it.
well,
Or just grab it and...
Hey, Paul,
He's not going to strike the
put
top of the
jacket
picture.
on, the
And he's not gonna-
motorcycle and gloves.
and he's not going to get your arms. So if you feel comfortable, like gently pulling.
Yeah.
I feel like I should move this aside and have a good look at him.
Go ahead, move it with the brake.
Put your head down so it doesn't smash. It's a nice picture.
Oh, God, you're worried about the picture? Like, goddamn worried.
Yeah.
Looking in now?
There you go. Now
Yeah.
it's going to move. So
Move that.
yeah.
Striking at it?
No, but
Move the picture.
Now it's just a move.
Yeah, he's on the move.
For God.
At least he's going into the corner.
Okay.
Hey, pull that whole
Lisha,
thing away.
we're gonna get him in the corner.
Just pull the picture out.
Now
Bud.
at least I know what I'm working, I'm up against.
Get the rake in your hand. Pull the picture.
This picture away.
Yeah.
There's two of them!
Uh-huh.
There usually is.
Oh, God!
Really?
They're everywhere!
Where is he? Behind the power thing?
He's behind this.
Oh, I didn't know that. I thought he went the other way.
Let's move.
No, he went this way.
Oh.
That's why I'm like, move the picture over here. We're chasing you down.
On a rattlesnake. We have Ranger Alicia in here giving instruction. Can you tell us a little bit about the
Let's
Western?
give us a rundown of the Western Diamondback,
Yeah.
its habitat, if you would, please.
How far can they strike, Ranger Alicia?
Rattlesnakes can strike half to 3/4 of the body length.
Wow.
Now,
Wow.
if they're not coiled, they cannot strike very far.
Yeah.
These are non-aggressive creatures. They will run from you. However, there is another type of rattlesnake in Arizona, the green rattlesnake, that is territorial and will chase you down.